Hello guys, my name is William Andres Cabrera Castro. I'm in the group 17 of educational management. So today I'm going to talk about an application that I want to apply to be a curriculum coordinator. So at this moment, dear selection team, I'm writing to you with an enthusiasm to apply for the position of the curriculum coordinator at the Producar Educational Center. I'm convinced that my experience and skills allow me to contribute significantly to your team and also contribute to the educational development of students. At this moment, I have a lot of experience and skills to be a curriculum coordinator. I have 2 years of experience in the design and review of curriculum, ensuring their alignment with educational standard and student needs. I have led to updating of curriculum to incorporate innovation methodologies and educational technology. I have overseen the implementation of curriculum in multiple educational settings, providing ongoing support and training to teachers to ensure effective and consistent pedagogical practices. Also, I have a strong track record in evaluating curriculum effectiveness through analysis of student achievement data and quality feedback. I have implemented evidence-based improvements resulting in a significant increase in academic performance and student satisfaction. I have proven skills in the efficient management of educational resources and in facilitating communication and collaboration between different departments in the educational center and educational levels, ensuring fluid and current curriculum implementation. So some of the responsibilities as a curriculum coordinator has many of also key responsibility to ensure the effective development, implementation, and evaluation of the academics curriculum. Some of them are curriculum development and review, design and update the curriculum according to the educational standards and student needs. The other one is ensure that the curriculum is current and aligned with educational objective and legal requirements. Supervise the implementation of the curriculum in the classroom, provide guidelines and support to teachers in the execution of teaching and learning strategies. Also have a lot of knowledge on training and professional development, for example, organize and coordinate professional development program for teachers in the institution. Also evaluate the effectiveness of the curriculum by analyzing student achievement data and classroom observation and feedback from the teachers and students. The most common is communication and collaboration in the educational institute. For example, facilitate communication between different departments in the educational levels to ensure the coherent implementation of the curriculum. For example, facilitate communication with the leader of the boss of the institution and the parents, teacher, and students. The other one is resource management. Supervise the allocation and use of the educational resource, including teaching materials, technologies, and personnel. Ensure the resources are available and adequate to support the implementation of the curriculum in the institution. One of the most important things is the motivation. I'm passionate about education and community to create an inclusive and equitable learning environment. My approach has always been to put students at the center of curricular decisions, ensuring that each of them has the opportunity to reach their full potential. Also, at the Producar Educational Center, I see an opportunity to apply my skills in experience and dynamic and challenges environment. I'm excited to by the possibility of contributing to the mission of your institution and working alongside a team communicate educational excellent. So I appreciate your consideration and remain available to provide your further information or discuss how I can contribute to your team's success. Sincerely, my name is Willie and thank you so much.